because it's being extra mean to me. Okay, hey guys. Today we're gonna be making slime with. Hold up, just wait 1 second. This glue. Look what Elmer's glue. Sometimes you cannot use washable. Sometimes washable doesn't work, so I don't know what to tell you if you got the wrong type of washable, but I got liquid Elmer's glue, washable school glue, safe, non-toxic. Okay, so guys, next I got me some, what is it called again? Have to think, some Tide. I gotta keep that in my hair. Okay guys, so let me get my material, dump that out. Take our glue, dump it on in there.
To use my glues.
And now,
I'm gonna
for
add.
a minute, I'm just gonna stir it.
Okay.
Stir it.
I'm gonna add.
Now, guys,
This
I'm
one,
gonna.
guys.
Shut up. I'm making you feel. And now, guys, I'm gonna add some Tide.
Okay.
Now a lot in my ear. Gotta really quit adding.
Now we need.
Guys, I'm gonna miss you. Like I'm leaving to the world. Now, guys, look, I'm gonna just keep on stirring. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Look, guys, it's already sticking. Okay, so look at that.
That right?
Just sticking already, which is very funny.
Guys, let me start it up with this.
Shut up! I'm live. I'm recording this on my phone. Guys, I'm gonna add some more. I just used this because I didn't feel like going in the kitchen, go get a cup because I'm just lazy. So just leave me alone. Oh, y'all probably can't see nothing. Okay, I'm so sorry if y'all ain't see nothing, but I don't know what to tell you because I'm just gonna keep stirring. I don't touch it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna add the foam. Okay, guys, I'm gonna add some more, a little bit more. All we need is a little bit more, and then it'll be done. Done. Guys, okay. Now, guys, I'm just gonna dump this out. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out. Okay, look at that slime. So, but the first time I did it, I did something wrong. Added too much something. I'll show you that one. So let me get all this off. This one came out perfectly. Okay, this is how the first one came out. Ugh, so disgusting. Let's do some of the new one. This is how the first one came out. Guys, I'm gonna take out the new one, and yeah, look at that. So cool, I guess.
You broke my heart, let's go.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna do like a one tutorial. You know. Okay, so okay, guys, I'm gonna miss you guys because I'm really leaving on Sunday. I'm going out of town to North Carolina with our granddads and chill out. And no, I am not that little girl that's ghetto and like all the mean, dirty little nasty comments. If you got something mean to say, you can straight up say it, or we can leave up. I'm trying to curse, but okay. Okay, guys, get all this slime off my fingers and into there. I love it. It's so gooey. Okay, so guys, now what we're gonna do is